So I want to make a coupler to connect two of these hoses. I have decided it should be pretty simple and just look like that. So hose can screw on here, hose can screw on here, and we'll put some O-rings on it right here and here, just like is right there. I've decided to work with aluminum. I'm going to start with this slug here. This is just some aluminum that I poured into an old tin can or something like that, and I stuck a metal rod in it when I was pouring it. That way I've already got a hole in the middle to make it easy to start boring it out. Here I've got the slug chucked up in the 3-jaw. I'll go ahead and start to clean it up. Now I've reversed it in the lathe, and I'm going to turn down the other side. Now I'm going to start cutting the threads. And here I've got my threads cut. I stopped to check fit before I cut any deeper, and the hose does appear to thread on there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and turn down this section here, leaving only about 4 or 5 threads. This is the part that's going to slide inside of the tube. And here's where we stand right now. Got my threads, I've got this little shoulder here, the shank, and I've cut a little place there for the O-ring to go into. I still need to bore out the inside a little bit bigger, but I think I'll do that last. I've gone ahead and reversed it in the chuck. I put a little bit of tape over those threads just to help protect them a little bit. I've drawn a line here. I'm going to go ahead and turn down the shank up to that line just to remove some meat from this, because there's not a lot material there to grab onto with the chuck. Alright, that went pretty well. Now I'm going to turn down our place where the O-ring is going to go. Well, it's a little rough inside from the vibration of the boring bar, but that'll do the trick. So now the only thing left to do is thread right here, which means I'm going to have to chuck it on this little piece that's on the other side. Hold it very carefully. And there we go.